Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the guest meets eligibility and has the correct account status. This prevents wasted effort later. Once confirmed, collect the concrete evidence you'll submit, screenshots, timestamps, messages, and any required forms. Make sure to define the milestone criteria clearly, specific deliverables, numeric targets, and a firm deadline. You'll need these to measure completion. As you prepare, label files consistently and note who approves the milestone, because organized documentation speeds approval and avoids disputes. You now move into execution. Assign the guest precise tasks with expected formats and milestone checkpoints. Use regular check-ins and shared documents to monitor progress and set automated reminders so nothing slips. As submissions come in, validate each deliverable against your preset criteria, run quality checks, reproduce test steps, and confirm signatures or approvals. Once you see conformity, compile the evidence packet. If anything is missing, request targeted fixes rather than full reworks to keep momentum and protect timelines. You finish by submitting the full milestone packet to the approver or platform and immediately confirm receipt. Capture confirmation ID or timestamps for records. Once approved, notify the guest and release any payments or badges per the agreement. If the milestone is rejected, don't panic. Read the rejection reasons, fix only the specified items, and resubmit promptly. A key troubleshooting tip: if approvals stall, escalate with a concise summary, evidence snapshot, and a request for next step guidance to unblock the process.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.